have here is a dreamer. Someone completely out of touch with reality.
I'm gonna ask you out.
Bad chance.
Lux, please put your shit on this instant.
Are you, aviation enthusiast?
I don't know if I'd call myself an enthusiast, but
Do you like to wrestle?
Look, she's laughing. He made her laugh.
My intentions for your daughter are entirely honorable.
What might those intentions be?
so much has been said about the girls over the years,
Those girls have a bright future ahead of them.
but we have never found an answer.
Her act was a cry for help.
I heard it was an accident.
Even then, as teenagers, we tried to put the pieces together. We still can't.
You're a full tank of gas. We'll take you anywhere you want to go.
About time. We've been waiting for you guys.
You're not even old enough to know how bad life gets.
Obviously, Doctor. You've never been a 13-year-old girl.
4 sisters put their own lives in jeopardy.
They'll all be gone by next year.
We would never be sure about the sequence of events. We argue about it still.